Successive percentage. Successive percentage. Successive is nothing but repeated usage of percentage or percentage on percentage. Percentage on percentage. Repeated usage of percentage. Repeated usage of percentage is called successive percentage. Where this successive percentage is used? It is used in all the problems where the product of two parameters is constant. Where the product of two parameters will be constant. Length into breadth equivalent to area. Length into breadth equivalent to area. Next one, side into side is nothing but area of this square. Side into side is nothing but area of this square. Price of one marker is 10 rupees. Totally I bought 20 markers. So total expenditure is 200. Price into consumption is expenditure. Price into consumption is expenditure. Speed into time is distance. Speed into time is distance. Speed into time is distance. And men into days is work. In all these problems, you can use successive percentage. Successive percentage. Successive percentage. Successive percentage and successive change. Both are similar. Both are similar. Successive change, we will convert into fractions and solve the problems. We will convert into fractions and we will solve the problem. Here we will directly apply percentage directly. We will apply percentage directly. Successive percentage and successive change, both are synonyms. One is we will work with fractions. Another is we will work with percentages. Another is we will work with percentages. Now listen carefully. First, foundation problem. Foundation problem. Suppose length is increased by 20 percentage. Breadth is increased by 30 percentage. Breadth is increased by 30 percentage. Find the percentage change in. Find the percentage change in area of rectangle. This entire slide we will discuss some basics. Then we will get into an high level. Percentage change in area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth is equivalent to area. L is increased by 20 percentage. B is increased by 30 percentage. A plus B plus A into B by 100. This is nothing but 56 percentage. So area will be increased by 56 percentage. This is directly method 1 and method 2. We did successive percentage. How we did? 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 30 percentage is 3 by 10. 5 1 increase, which is nothing but 6. 10 1 3 increase, which is nothing but 13. 50 is becoming 78. 50 became 78. There is an increase of 28 on 50, which is nothing but 56 percentage. Which is nothing but 56 percentage. Or method 3, multiplication factor also you can use. Area, if length is 1 unit, breadth is 1 unit. Initial area is 1 unit. There is an increase of 20 percentage, so it is 1.2. There is an increase of 30 percentage, 1.3, which is 1.56. 1 becomes 1.56. So overall it is nothing but 56 percentage. Overall it is nothing but 56 percentage. Initially the original value of the length is 1. Original value of the breadth is 1. So it is increased by 20 units. It is increased by 30 units. So 20 percentage is 0.2. It is 0.3. 1.2 into 1.3 is 1.56. 1 became 1.56. Overall it is 56 percentage. Either you can use this method or this method or this method. For few problems, successive percentage will be immensely useful. What is that problem? Now see, this is a foundation problem. Suppose example. Suppose if it is 12 into 13, this is 156. You can look at from a successive percentage angle. Original value is 2. There is an increase. Original value is 10. There is an increase of 2 on 10. 1 by 5 is 20 percentage. Original value is 10. There is an increase of 3 on 10, which is nothing but 30 percentage. Original value 20 and length is 20, breadth is 30. So successive increase is given by a plus b plus ab by 100. So these nothing but 56 percentage. 56 percentage is on 156 increase. What is the final value? 156. 12 into 13 is 156. On 10 to increase, which is 20 percentage. On 10 3 increase, which is nothing but 30 percentage. Overall increase is a plus b plus ab by 100. 56 divided by 100. On 156 increase, these nothing but 156. Suppose if it is 21 square. 21 square is nothing but 441. These nothing but 21 into 21. 21, it is nothing but on 21 increase. On 21 increase, which is nothing but 5 percentage. Again it is on 21 increase, which is nothing but 5 percentage. So overall it is a plus b plus a into b divided by 100. These nothing but 10.25 percentage. 10.25 is nothing but 41 by 4. Percentage is by 100, which is 41 by 400. On 441 increase, final value is 441. You can use it in finding the square of a number, finding the cube of a number, multiplication, like that you can use. I can do one more example so that it will be clear to you. 12 is nothing but on 10 to increase. On 10 3 increase. Overall increase is a plus b plus ab by 100. On 20 there is one increase. A plus b plus ab by 100. Third example. Then we will go to higher values. Third one. 96 into 97. 96 into 97. 96 is 4 less than 100. 97 is 3 less than 100. These nothing but a plus b plus a into b divided by 100. These nothing but minus 7 plus 0.12 percentage. These nothing but minus 6.88 percentage. It is by 100. 96 base I took it as 100. 97 base is also nothing but 100. So the overall base value is 10 power 4. I got on 100 there is a decrease of 6.88. But I want 10 power 4. Multiply by 10 square. If I multiply by 10 square, it is 688 minus. There is a decrease of 688 on 10 power 4. So answer is nothing but 9312. Answer is nothing but 9312. I hope the idea it is clear. 96 is 4 percentage less. 97 is 3 percentage less. A plus b plus ab by 100 minus 7 plus 0.12 percentage minus 6.88 by 100. This base value is 100. This base value is 100. Overall base value is 10 power 4. On 100 there is a decrease of 688. 10 power 4 there is a decrease of minus 6.88 into 100. 6 minus 688. On 10 power 4 decrease of 688. Value is nothing but 9312. Value is nothing but 9312. Suppose fourth one. 1.02 power 4 approximately. 1.02 power 4 approximately. These nothing but 1.02 into 1.02 into 1.02 into 1.02. These nothing but there is an increase of 0.02 on 1. 0.02 is nothing but 2 by 100. These nothing but 2 percentage increase. These nothing but 2 percentage increase. 2 percentage, how many times it is? 2 percentage, 2 percentage, 2 percentage, 2 percentage. So if I take this value, it is nothing but a plus b plus a into b by 100 percentage. These nothing but 4.04 percentage. If I take this both, same 4.04 percentage. So if I take this both, 4.04 plus 4.04 plus 4.04 into 4.04, divided by 100. So these are nothing but 4.04 plus 4.04. 8.08. These approximately take 4. 16 divided by 100, 0.16. So these are nothing but 8.24 percentage. 8.24 percentage. These are nothing but 8.24 divided by 100. These are nothing but 0.0824. 2 percentage 4 times is approximately 0.0824. So 1.02 power 4 is very closer to the value. It is an increase of 0.0824. So answer is 1.0824. 1.02 power 4, it is closer to the value 1.0824. I hope this idea is clear. There is an increase of 2 percentage, 2 percentage, 2 percentage. 2 percentage successively done 4 times. It is nothing but 4 percentage, 0.04. 2 percentage 2 times is 4.04. Again 2 percentage 2 times is 4.04. A plus B plus A into B by 100. These 8.08, these 0.16. So total is 8.24. 8.24 by 100 is 0.0824. 0.0824 on 1. The answer is nothing but 1.0824. Answer is nothing but 1.0824. Fifth one. 1.03 power 8 approximately. 1.03 power 8 approximately. It is nothing but 1.03 and so on up to multiplied 8 times. 1.03 is on 1 there is an increase of 0.03. These are nothing but 3 percentage successively done. 3 percentage successively done 8 times. 2, 4, 6, 8 times. So 3 with 3, 6 percentage approximately, sir. 6 percentage approximately successively done 4 times. 6 with 6, 12 percentage approximately done 2 times. So these are nothing but A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. So these are nothing but 25.44 percentage, which is nothing but 0.2544. 0.2544 on 1 there is an increase. So the value is approximately 1.2544. Value is approximately 1.2544. Just by looking at a question you can say 3 percentage successively 8 times. 3 percentage 8 times is nothing but 6 percentage 4 times. 6 percentage 4 times is nothing but 12 percentage 2 times. Anyway it is 6.09. I took only 6. So the lowest value we are getting the lower limit, it is 1.2544. The value will be greater than 1.2544. The value will be greater than 1.2544. Fifth one, I hope the idea it is clear. Fifth one, I hope it is clear. Sixth one, 1 point, what if the power is an odd number? 1.04 power 7. 1.04 power 7. These are nothing but 1.04 into 1.04. 1.04 till 7 times. Till 7 times. These are nothing but 4 percentage. 4 percentage. 4 4. 4 4 4. 4 percentage 7 times. 4 with 4 is approximately 8 percentage. It is 8.16, but I made it to 8. These also 8 percentage. These also 8 percentage. And it is 4 percentage. These are nothing but 16.64. These 16 percentage. These 12 percentage. These A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. These are nothing but 28 plus. These are nothing but 1.92. So 29.92 percentage, which is 0.2992. 0.2992 increase on 1. What will be the answer? 1.2992. Answer is 1.2992. Answer is 1.2992. I hope the idea it is clear. 1.04 power 7. 4 percentage 7 times is 8 percentage 3 times and the remaining is 4. What if the power is odd and what if the power is an even number? Why are we discussing the successive percentage? How it will help us in solving the problem? We will see the problems. Now see here. Listen carefully. A man borrows a certain sum at 3% per annum. He lends out this at a rate of compound interest 6% per annum, while the interest is compounded half yearly. First it is 3%, next it is 6% yearly. So it is nothing but 3% half yearly. 3% half yearly. Compounding done twice. So in a year 2 times 6 months will come. Compounding done twice. So it will be A plus B plus A into B divided by 100%. These are nothing but 6.09%. 6.09%. So the difference is nothing but 3.09%, which is 3.09 by 100. That means if the principal is 100, interest gap is nothing but 3.09. But I want 6118 into nothing but 200. 100 into 200. 100 into 200. Answer is nothing but 20,000. Just by looking at a question itself, you will get the answer if you know the application of successive percentage. If you know its importance, you can get the answer very, very fast. Answer for this question is 20,000. Next one. A sum of money is lent out at a compound interest of 4% for 1 year. It would fetch 36 more if the interest is compounded half yearly. One is 4% per year. One is 4% per year. Interest is compounding half yearly. So 2% half yearly. 2% half yearly. So if the compounding is done every 6 months, in a year the compounding is done twice. So if it is done twice, A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. These nothing but 4.04%. So gap is nothing but 0.04%. It is nothing but if the principal is 100, interest more, it will be 0.04. But I want 36. So it is nothing but into 900. 100 into 900, which is 90,000. Easily you will get the answer. 4% every year. Half compounded half yearly is 2% done twice. 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 by 100, which is 4.04. This is 4 and it is 4.04. Gap is nothing but 0.04. Gap is nothing but 0.04. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. The sum of money which was given on a compound interest at 18% per annum. It is payable half yearly. Then what it is payable annually for 2 years. 18% per annum. 18% per annum for n equivalent to 2 years. So 18%. Answer is nothing but A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. These nothing but 39.24%. 39.24%. 18% 2 years. So it is half yearly. 9% half yearly. For 2 years. 2 years means compounding done 4 times. Compounding done 4 times. If it is 4 times, 9. So this will become 18%, 18.81. 18.81. These also 18.81. 18.81. 9 plus 9. A plus B plus A into B by 100. 18.81. 18.81 plus 18.81 plus 18.81 into 18.81 divided by 100%. Divided by 100%. 100%. These are nothing but 3.53. So this is nothing but 5. These are nothing but 41.15. 41.15. If it is 41.15, how much will be the difference? Difference is nothing but 41.15 minus 39.24. These 1, 11 it is 9. These 1.91. 1.91. These 960. 960 is nothing but 50 something. So 50 into 500. 500 into 100. Answer is 50,000. I hope the idea it is clear. Difference is close to 1.9 something. So 1.9. 1.9 into 500 is 950 something. I want 960. So 100 into 500 is 50,000. Idea is clear. Next one. A sum of money is lent out at compound interest at a 20% per annum for 2 years. 20% per annum. 20% per annum for 2 years. These are nothing but A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. These are nothing but 44%. 44%. It is compounded half yearly. Half yearly means this will become 10%. Yearly 2 times. 2 yearly it is compounded 4 times. Compounded 4 times. So this will be 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. These 21%. These 21%. These are nothing but A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. These are nothing but 46.41%. Gap is nothing but 2.41. 2.41%. P is 100. Interest gap is nothing but 2.41. But according to the question, 482. So into 200. 100 into 200 is 20,000. 100 into 200 is 20,000. Easy question once you know it. Once you understand it. These are all easy question. This question we have already solved it in the previous class. A simple interest on a certain sum of money for 4 years at 4%. 4% per annum for 4 years. So effective rate of interest is 16% under SI. Exceeds the compound interest on the same sum for 3 years at 5% for 3 years. 5%. 5. These are nothing but A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. This is 10.25%. 10.25%. 10.25 plus 5 plus 10.25 into 5 divided by 100. These are nothing but 15.25. These 51.25 by 100. These are nothing but 0.51. So which is nothing but 15.76%. How to use successive percentage? I hope it is clear. So another way to do if it is successive percentage given is by using a digital sum. How is a digital sum used? Let us see this question. Read the question. What is the sum of money at compound interest? Total amount, final value is 2249.52. Okay. First interest is 1.03. 3% hike. On 100, 3 increase. So it is 1.03. Second, it is 4% increase. It is 1.04. Again, 5% increase. It is 1.05. 1.05. Now if you see here, apply digital sum. 4 plus 4, 8. 9 can be omitted. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 is nothing but 6. Equivalent to P into 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 equivalent to P into 4 5s are 22. 2 6s are 12. 12 is nothing but 3. 12 is nothing but 3. So which one is giving you? Just check it out. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 it is nothing but 6. P into 1.03, which is 4, 1.045, 1.056, 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120, 120 digital sum is 3. Now if you see here, which one is giving you the answer? 2000, 2000 digital sum is 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 equivalent to 6. I hope it is clear. This is one way to solve by using a digital sum. What if more than one answer option has the same digital sum? Now see here, amount is nothing but 2249.52. Principal into, there is an increase of 3%, 4% and 5%. These are the rate of interest given. So these nothing but approximately 7%. These nothing but 5%. These approximately 7 plus 5 plus 7 into 5 by 100. These nothing but 12.35%. 12.35%. So 2000 into 12.37% is 247 point something. 249, these coming very close. So answer is 2000. Even if more than one answer option gives the same digital sum, still you can use successive percentage logic. Still you can use successive percentage logic to get the answer. I hope it is clear. At what time will 1000 amount to 1331? P is 1000. Amount is nothing but 1331. At a rate of compound interest of 20%, interest is compounded half yearly. 20% is per annum. 20% is per annum. Half yearly it is nothing but 10%. Done how many times to get 1331 is become 1000 is becoming 1331. So excess is nothing but 331 divided by 1000 into 100, which is nothing but 33.1%. Excess is nothing but 33.1%. Interest is compounded half yearly. Interest is compounded half yearly. Half yearly means for every 6 months I will do. For every 6 months I will do. So 10% first 6 months, 10% next 6 months, second year first 6 months is 10. So these nothing but 21%. So these A plus B plus A into B by 100. These nothing but 33.1%. So answer for this question is 1.5 year. 1.5 year is nothing but 10%. It is done 3 times because it is compounded half yearly. First 6 months I will do, next 6 months I will do, second year first half 6 months I will do. Answer is 1.5 years. Beautiful application of successive percentage. Now read this question, sir. First we will read the question. A man borrows 5,000 rupees. I took 5,000 rupees from my friend. Definitely I have to return that 5,000 to my friend, which is my principal amount. At a 10% rate of compound interest, because I am using his money, I will add 10% of 5,000, which is 500 extra, which is nothing but interest. 10% of 5,000. But at the end of each year, so after the end of first year, I will pay back 1,500 rupees. I am giving back 1,500 rupees. That means at the beginning of second year beginning, how much I will have? 5,000 plus 500, 5,500 minus 1,500, which is nothing but 4,000. Compound interest is nothing but interest on interest. Compound interest is nothing but interest on interest. So 10% of 4,000 is 400 I will give extra, which is the interest. But again after the second year, I will give 1,500 back at the end of the year. So totally, how much I gave? 4,500. 2,900. But on this 2,900, I should give 10% interest. So answer is nothing but 3190. How much money I should return after 3 years? At the end of first year 1500 I gave, second year I gave 1500, so remaining amount is 2900. In that one interest is 290, which is nothing but 3190. 3190. If Ramarao borrows 3000 at 10% rate of interest, 10% 300, I pay back 1000 rupees. So these is nothing but 2300. I gave 10% 230. Again I will pay back 1000 rupees. So these is nothing but 2530 minus 1000. These 1530. In that 1530, 10% is nothing but 153. So answer is 1530 plus 153. Total 1683. Total 1683. Money I will give, right, to clear all the dues. To clear all the dues. I hope it is clear. Right, to clear entire dues, this is the amount which I will give. Right, in addition to, first I will give 3000, then 10% rate of interest. Right, so I pay back 1000 here, again I will pay back 1000. 230 is 10% of 2300. Similarly here, Ramarao borrows 4000 at the rate of 5% per annum, 5% CI for 2 years, 5% CI for 2 years, first year and second year. These 200, these also nothing but 200, 5% it is nothing but 10. So what is the interest here? Interest which I will give is 410 rupees, 410 rupees. Now after 2 years, this is the 2 years, I took 4000 rupees. Right, I means Ramarao, I took 4000 rupees. After 2 years, interest is 410. So I will give 4000 rupees. Interest also I will give 410. Then I will give back 2210 rupees. 2210 rupees. So remaining amount I need to give is 2000. 2000, 0, 1 minus 1, 2200. 2200 I need to give back. Right, and after 2 years it is, and after another 2 years he pays all his dues with interest. So again for 2 years, this is the first year, second year, 5% it is nothing but 110, this is nothing but 110, 5% is nothing but 5.5, 5 into 1.5. So totally it is how much? 225.5. First 2 years it is 410, next 2 years it is 225. How much it is after 2 years? It is 5% 110, 5% 110, 225. So 410 plus 225.5. So what will be the answer? Answer is 635.5. Answer is 635.5. Idea is clear, right? One by one. First it is 4000 rupees I took. I calculated compound interest at 5% every year. After 2 years, this is the interest which I have to give, which is 410 rupees. So I took 4000 rupees. On that interest is 410 because it is CI. And I paid back 2210. Remaining is 2000. On that one, 5% for another 2 years is 110, 110, 5.5, 225.5. Answer is 635.5. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on sum of rupees 18,000 for 2 years is 405. Find the rate of compound interest. I want CI is given for 2 years. CI is given for 2 years. I want R percentage. So principal is nothing but 18,000. If I take the first option is 10% of 18,000. First year SI. Second year it is nothing but this is 1800. These also 1800, right? So again 10% of 1800 is 180. D is nothing but 180. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest. This is simple interest for 2 years. This is compound interest for 2 years. This is 180, but I want the answer 405. For me, what is important is not the first option. Now see here. From where you got these 180? 1 minute. From where you got these 180? 180 is nothing but, can I say, this is nothing but interest on interest. Am I right? Interest on interest. It is nothing but interest on interest. Let me take the second option. So first interest is nothing but 15% of 18,000. Again on this interest, these is nothing but CI for 2 minus SI for 2. So percentage, 4 zeros, 3 zeros. That means down 1 0 will be there. 15 into 18 divided by 10. 1 0 will be there. These is nothing but 15 into 18, which is nothing but 270. 270 divided by 10. 15 into 27 is 405. 405, it is matching with my answer. So answer for this question is 15%. Interest on interest is nothing but CI for 2 minus SI for 2. Interest on interest. If I calculate interest on interest, it is nothing but CI for 2 minus SI for 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest. It is nothing but the interest on interest. It is nothing but the interest on interest. This is given as 72. Principal value is 5,000. 5,000. Now if you see here, these into R percentage, these also into R percentage. These nothing but 70. These nothing but 72. So these nothing but R square divided by into 5 divided by 10 equivalent to 70. R square is nothing but 144. Rate is nothing but 12. R percentage is 12%. R is nothing but 12%. You can check it out. 12% of 5,000, which is 600. In that one, 12%, which is nothing but 72. Interest on interest is nothing but 72. Interest on interest is nothing but 72. Now, first we will discuss the concept. Example. If the principal is 100, R is 10%, N is 3 years. What it became? 100. 1 by 10 of 100 is 10. These SI remains the same for every year. 10, 10, 10. Right? Interest on interest. 1/10 of 10 is 1. 1/10 of 10 is nothing but 1. 1/10 of 10 is nothing but 1. 1/10 of 1 is nothing but 0.1. 1/10 of 0.1. 1 is nothing. This is the first, this is the second year, and it is the third year. First year, second year, and third year. Now, listen carefully, sir. With this, listen carefully. Now, if I take P as 100, 10, 10, 10, these values, SI interest will be the same for every year. Interest on interest, it is B. Interest on interest, and it is right R percentage of B. I hope it is clear. Now, one by one we have to see. One by one. Let us read the question. Ratio of the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years. This is nothing but the entire SI for 3 years. Am I right? This is nothing but the entire CI for 3 years. That means CI for 3 minus SI for 3. It is nothing but 3B plus C. Difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years. CI for 2 minus SI for 2. That means this is not there. Total SI is 2A. CI for 2 minus SI for 2 is nothing but B. This is nothing but given. What is given in the question? It is nothing but 6. 19 is nothing but 3 into 6 plus 1. Am I right? So B value is nothing but 6. C value is nothing but 1. This is nothing but, right? C on B is nothing but the rate of interest. 1 by 6 is nothing but 16.67 percentage. 1 by 6 is nothing but 16.67 percentage. Idea is clear. SI for the first year, for the second year and for the third year it is same. Interest on interest. R percentage of A is B. R percentage of A is B. R percentage of A is B. R percentage of B is C. So, see difference between CI and SI for 3 years it is nothing but 3B plus C. For 2 years it is nothing but B. 3B plus C divided by B. Answer is, if you observe the right numerical values, B is nothing but 6, C is nothing but 1, C is nothing but 1, C is nothing but 1. 1 on 6 is nothing but 16.67 percentage. Next one. So we will write down here CI for 3 minus SI for 3 divided by CI for 2 minus SI for 2. It is nothing but 3B plus C divided by, which is 23 by 7. These 3 into 7 plus 2 divided by 7. B value is 7 and C value is nothing but 2. So answer is 2 by 7, which is 28.5714, which is 28.5714. I hope the idea it is clear. R percentage is 20 percentage. N equivalent to 2 years. I will get A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. This is nothing but 44 percentage. Compounded half yearly. 10 percentage 4 times is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. These nothing but 21. These nothing but 21. These will become 46.41 percentage. Gap is 2.41. But according to the question, it is 964 into 400. 100 into 400 is 40,000. I hope this idea it is clear. Next one. CI for 2 years. Now please make a note. If R percentage is in the form of 1 by X, which is numerator by denominator. So assume principal equivalent to X cube. I am doing it for 3 years. First year, second year and third year. 1 by X of X cube, X square. These also X square. These also X square. Interest on interest, it is X. These also X. These also X. And these also. Now if you see here, CI for 2 years. If I want CI for entire 2 years, CI for 2 years, it is nothing but 2x square plus x. I hope it is clear. Now CI for 3 years, is nothing but 2x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 is nothing but x plus 1 whole square. I hope it is clear. Very important point. CI for 3 years is nothing but CI for 2 years plus x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 whole square. Once you get the square value, R percentage is nothing but 1 by x. CI for 2 is 2x square plus x. CI for 3 is 2x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1. 2x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1. These are nothing but x plus 1 whole square. With this idea, let us solve this question. So CI for 3, CI for 2, if it is 156, CI for 3 is nothing but it is 156 plus something, and that something should be in the form of a square. What is given in the question? Let us see. These 156 and it is 254. So these nothing but 98 I am getting. 98 is not of the form square. So let us simplify it. 278s are 127s are. 127 is nothing but 78 plus 49. 49 is 6 plus 1 whole square. So our percentage is 1 by 6, which is nothing but 16.66 percentage. 16.66 percentage. Idea is clear. These is nothing but, why I simplified, I should get plus perfect square. I should get perfect square. Here I am not getting a perfect square. 78 plus 49. Now, similarly, this is 210 and the next one is 331. 331 is 210 plus 121. 121 is nothing but x plus 1 whole square, which is 11 square. X value is 10. Our percentage is 1 by x. 1 by 10 value, it is nothing but 10 percentage. This is nothing but 10 percentage. Idea clear? Next one, right? A certain sum is invested in a compound interest. Interest in first 2 years. Interest in first 2 years, 272. This is nothing but 272 plus. What is remaining? 434 minus 272. 4 minus 2, 2. This is 6. 162. 162 is not a square. So simplify it. This is 136. This is nothing but 217. This is nothing but 136 plus 80. 80, how much it is? 136. 64 plus 17. 81. 81. 81 is nothing but 9 square. X plus 1 square is 9 square. X value is nothing but 8. 1 by 8, which is 12.5 percentage. This is approximately 12 is make it to 12.5 percentage. I hope the idea it is clear. The difference between 3 years compound interest and simple interest, the difference CI for 3 minus SI for 3, it is nothing but 1701. Our percentage is nothing but 15 percentage. Our percentage is nothing but 15 percentage. So you can go by the answer option. If I take 20,000, this is first year, second year and third year. 15 percentage of 20,000. These 3,000. These also 3,000. These also 3,000. This is 450. Here also it is 450. So here also it is 450. 15 percentage of 450, it is nothing but 15 percentage of 450, which is 75. 670, 67.5. 67.5. What? This is the total SI for 3 years. This is CI for 3 years is remaining is 450, 450, 450. 1350. 1350 plus 60. It is 1401. So this is not possible. I hope it is clear. Let me take 24,000. Go by the answer options. If I take 24,000, this is first year and it is second year and it is third year. These nothing but 15 percentage is 24,000 into 15 by 100, 0, 0. 15 4s are 60, 60. 3,600. 3,600 and it is 3,600. These nothing but 15 percentage of 360 is 15 into 36, which is 540. Here also 540. Here also 540. 15 percentage of 540, which is 15 into 5.4. 75, 81, 81. These nothing but, this entire sum is 1701. That means my assumption is right. My assumption is right. I hope the idea it is clear.